Hey guys, welcome to our experiment today. I have my helper here. This is Jonathan. All right, so Jonathan, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna need to add 10 milliliters of water to test tube number 1.
That was too much, okay. Okay, so,
Okay, now all test tube 1 is getting is 10 milliliters of water. So you can go ahead and put a balloon onto the top of test tube number 1. Perfect. Now you're going to add 10 milliliters of water to test tube number 2.
okay.
That's okay. See guys, this is what you would have been doing if we were in class. So 10 milliliters of water.
Perfect. Okay.
All right, so that goes to test tube 2. And now you're also going to measure 2 grams of sugar.
Just put it on there and then
In the cup.
okay.
And then press tare. So put it on the scale. Press tare. There we go. Now it should be about that whole packet for 2 grams.
Okay. Nope, 2.2.
It's okay. So it'll be close enough. We'll put 2.2 in the other one too. So add the sugar and then go ahead and put a balloon on test tube number 2.
Okay.
All right, now in test tube number 3, you're going to do 10 milliliters of water.
Okay, get that.
Perfect. And now this one is going to give 1 gram of yeast.
Okay. And this is yeast.
You're going to have to be careful with this one because that's a lot more than 1 gram in that packet. So just pour a little bit at a time.
It's not even saying anything. Oh, 7, 8.
Shh.
Okay, so 3, right?
Yep, put that in test tube 3.
Okay, perfect.
All right, now you're going to go ahead and put a balloon onto that one. Oh,
Okay.
you did water in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we might want to shake that up just a little bit. Yep.
I did do water. Yeah, okay.
Okay. It'll make its way down and mix up.
Okay. So,
All right, so now 10 milliliters of water in test tube 4. All right, now this one you're gonna put 2 grams of sugar plus 1 gram of yeast.
okay, so
Let's do sugar first. 2 grams of sugar, which should be a whole nother packet.
let's do that.
Because remember we did do 2.2, so we need to be even. so we'll do 2.2 again.
And, yep.
Don't hold the cup while you pour. There you go.
.4.
2.2.
It was 2.4.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is it good?
Yep.
All right, so you put that one in test tube 4.
Okay.
All right, and then you're also going to add 1 gram of yeast to this one.
Okay. 1.1 I got last time.
Very close, very close. Okay.
Last time I got 1.12.
Oh, perfect. Alrighty.
Put a balloon over it.
Kind of maybe take your thumb and let's shake it just a little bit to get that yeast down in there.
Okay. It'll
work its way in there, but
it's clumping.
yeah, it's clumping up.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and put the balloon on. All right, so I want you guys at home to make a prediction.
Green, orange, yellow, or red.
Okay, so what do you think is going to happen here? So in test tube 1, we have just water. Test tube 2 has water and sugar. Test tube 3 has water and yeast. And test tube 4 has water, sugar, and yeast. So what do you think is going to happen inside our test tube, and what might happen to those balloons?
I think it's going to be this one or this one.
Going to be, what do you mean?
Like, I think the one that'll blow up the most.
Yeah? Is that
Gonna
one?
be this
With
one
yeast?
or this one?
Or yeast and sugar?
Because, like, yeast is a rising thing, and, like,
Oh,
sugar...
yeah.
I don't know what sugar does.
Okay, well, we're going to find out. Thank you, assistant, for helping me out today. We are going to leave these for 24 hours, so we'll be back tomorrow. See you later.